when you come across any name, stop and investigate, because God may hide certain truths. I repeat it. When you come to a name, stop and investigate. Listen. Now, Ephraim Hendrik Chapar. That is me. Ephraim Hendrik Chapar. You stop at the name. You don't just run. Now, Ephraim, it's biblical. It means double. Fruitful. Now you understand why I operate the way I do. It means double. Another version says Ephraim means clever beyond his years. Clever beyond what? His years. Another version says clever beyond his years. Now, when the children were born in the Bible, Ephraim and Manasseh, Ephraim was the last born. Now, Hendrik means this come from Hebrew. Ephraim come from Hebrew. Yeah. This medicine. And this one derived from Germany. Hendrik is German. It come from Germany. And Hendrik means, guess what this word means? This word means ruler of the house. Hendrik means you are a ruler. And I am a ruler. So it's Ephraim, it's Hendrik, the what? The ruler. Because Hendrik means what? Ruler. Is that right? And what does Chapar mean? Because Chapar actually derived from Arabic. Chapar is what? Arabic. That's why I'm a Chapar are actually Indian. I've got Indian lineage in my bloodline. Yeah, we've got, that's why our family are not from here. They are actually fugitive. Babalega India. Yes, Balenda Gupi. Balenda KwaZulu Natal. Yes, Batata in. Batata Unap Telezi. From the lineage of Telezi. So I've got somewhere royalty in my blood. Amen. No wonder I talk like a prince. I walk like a prince. I stand my ground like a prince. So Chapar is Arabic. That's why according to the Muslims, Chapar means the mighty one. The mighty one. That's what it means. So when you put this word, it means the double fruitful mighty ruler. That's great. The double fruitful mighty ruler. Why do I come to this? That is why I don't take names light. Light. Your character hides in your name. That's why I wrote this down. I want to show you something. Amen.